Okay, I'm just gonna get one. All right, it's just one. All right, how bad could one be? It's not that expensive. It's not. Well, I mean, I have to get it a friend, right? I mean, who's he gonna talk to? He's gonna get bored, and what if they get sick of each other? They need a third guy. And honestly, I have three. I might as well get the whole set. I mean, like, why not? I mean, just complete it. I mean, and they released a few more. You might as well. And honestly, it's money's not a problem for me. I can afford it. I mean, and it's not an addiction. It's a hobby. Well, yeah, I'm wanted in 13 states for credit card debt, but that means that there's 37 states that